بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 12, Unit 1, Part D. Choose the appropriate collective noun to complete the sentences below. Number 1. A group of locusts attack the cornfield. Options are Option A, pride. Option B, flock. Option C, plague. Option D, bunch. So the correct option is option C. Number 2. A group of birds is always a beautiful sight. A group of birds is called flock, pride, army, or bench. So the correct option is option A, flock. A group of birds is called flock. Number 3. A group of books was lying on the table. A group of books is called swarm, pride, bouquet, pile. So the correct option is option D, pile. A group of books is called pile. Number 4. They welcomed the chief guest with a group of flowers. A group of flowers is called swarm, pride, bouquet, pile. So the correct option is option C, bouquet. Number 5. As we drove down the road, we saw a group of sheep grazing in the fields. A group of sheep is called flock, class, crew, or bench. So a group of sheep is called flock. The correct option is option A, flock. Number 6. The group of thieves has been arrested by the police. The group of thieves is called flock, gang, band, or bench. So the correct option is option D. The group of thieves is called gang. Number 7. We were attacked by a group of bees. A group of bees is called swarm, bunch, flight, or shawl. So the correct option is option A, swarm. A group of bees is called swarm. Number 8. All night we could hear the group of birds howling. Option A, troop. Option B, part. Option C, pride. Option D, pack. The group of birds is called pack. The correct option is option D, pack. Number 9. We were in awe as we watched the group of whales swimming. The group of whales is called flock, part, bunch, or shawl. So the correct option is option D, shawl. Number 10. The group of lions slept all day on the African plains. The group of lions is called class, fleet, pride, or drove. The correct option is option C, pride. The group of lions is called pride. Number 11. The mother hen was followed by her group of chickens. Group of chickens is called herd, litter, brood, or swarm. So the group of chickens is called brood. The correct option is option C. Number 12. We could see the group of hounds in the forest. The group of hounds is called pack, school, herd, or colony. So the group of hounds is called school. The correct option is option B. Number 13. The group of keys is on the table. The group of keys is called bunch, branch, bouquet or bundle. The correct option is option A. The bunch of keys. The group of keys is called bunch. Number 14. Arif bought an expensive group of shoes. Group of shoes is called box, pair, set or suit. The correct option is option B. Pair of shoes. Number 15. Our school has a group of competent teachers. A group of competent teachers is called band, firm, staff or board. So the correct option is option C. Staff. Students, do this page. Do page number 12 in book. This is your homework. Students, this is your homework. Do page number 12 and share with us in WhatsApp group. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.